Is your brand new Revolut Junior card taunting you from inside its packaging? Let's get it activated so you can start spending that allowance. First, grab your parents' phone, because they are the key to unlocking your card's potential. Make sure they have the Revolut app installed. Your parent needs to open their Revolut app. If they aren't already, they'll have to log in using their passcode or biometrics. Once they're in, they should navigate to the cards section. This might be at the bottom of the screen, or they might need to tap on their profile picture and then find cards. Next, they need to select the Junior account. It will usually show your name or nickname that they set up for you. Now, look for the Activate Card button. It's usually pretty prominent, sometimes near the top of the screen, but locations can vary based on the Revolut app version. Tap it. Time to get your card. Have it ready and your parent will need to enter the last 4 digits of your Revolut Junior card number. This is a security measure to make sure they are activating the correct card. And that's it. Once the digits are entered correctly, your card is officially activated and ready for use. Time to go buy that thing you've been saving up for.